Unboxing the phrase, mint state, a guide to pristine conditions. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we turn learning English into an adventure. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of the phrase, mint state. Whether you're a collector, a shopper, or just curious about English phrases, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what mint state means but also how to use it in a conversation. So, let's get into it. Mint state is a phrase that originally comes from the world of coin collecting. When a coin is in mint state, it means it's in perfect condition, just like it was the day it was made. There's not a single scratch or sign of wear, and it's as shiny as it was on the first day. But mint state isn't just for coins. It's used to describe anything that's in perfect condition, from comics to cars, cards to collectibles. If you've got something in mint state, you're saying it's as good as new, without any damage or deterioration. Now that you know what mint state means, let's put it into practice. This phrase can be really useful in various situations. Buying and selling. If you're selling something online, you can describe it as in mint state to assure buyers it's in top-notch condition. For instance, I'm selling my vintage guitar, and it's in mint state. Describing condition. When you're talking about the quality or condition of an item, mint state is a precise way to express that something is impeccable. You might hear, I collect action figures, and each one is in mint state. Everyday speak. Even in casual conversation, mint state can describe something untouched or unused. Like, I just bought these sneakers, they're mint state. Understanding where mint state comes from can help you appreciate its usage. The term is steeped in the rich tradition of collecting. It suggests not just quality but also the idea of an item being in a state that is as excellent as when it was produced, which is often a mark of value among collectors. The popularity of the phrase has grown with the rise of online marketplaces. It's a quick way to communicate condition in a listing, where space is limited and every word counts. While we don't use phonetic transcriptions, it's worth noting how to pronounce mint state clearly. Break it down into its two words, mint and state. Practice saying it slowly at first, then increase your speed as you become more confident. Remember, clear pronunciation will make your English sound more natural and help you be understood when you speak. To spice up our conversation, let's look at some fun facts. The term is so popular that there's even a grading system for mint conditions, like mint 10 or mint 9, which you might find in grading collectibles. The concept of mint condition extends even to real estate, where a mint condition house is one that requires no repairs or refurbishment. There you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, mint state. Congratulations on adding another phrase to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been as fresh and informative as a collectible in mint state. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning adventures. Happy collecting and happy learning!